Savannah Marshall is a British professional boxer. She is from Hartlepool in the northeast of England. She attended the English Martyrs School, where she achieved 12 GCSEs before gaining a distinction in a BTEC National Diploma in Sport at Hartlepool College. She began boxing aged 12 when she joined a local Hartlepool Headland club after seeing a boy showing off his trophy on the street and decided she wanted one. She went to her local boxing club with two of her girlfriends. However, her friends only went once and decided not to go back. The club had no girls training at this time and had constantly tried to discourage Marshall. She is paired with the boys at her club. Savannah describes herself as very competitive and wants to win at everything and is constantly in competition with training partner Hughie Fury. As of October 2022, she is ranked as the world's second best active female middleweight by BoxRec and by The Ring. As an amateur, she became the first British female world champion after securing gold at the 2012 World Championships. She has been nicknamed as the silent assassin due to her shyness and her multiple knockout wins. Marshall was initially scheduled to face Clarissa Shields in a title unification bout on October 15, 2022. Marshall lost the fight via unanimous decision, with two judges scoring the fight 97-93 and one scoring it 96-94, all in favor of Shields to become the undisputed middleweight world champion. This fight occurred at the O2 Arena and was the first time two female boxers headlined at a major venue in the United Kingdom. As well, the fight headlined the first all-female boxing card in the United Kingdom. On 31st October 2020, in her ninth professional fight, Marshall became the WBO female middleweight champion with a TKO victory over opponent Hannah Rankin at Wembley Arena. On 18 May 2017, during a press conference to promote the IBF Junior Lightweight title defense of Mayweather promoted Gervonta Davis against former British champion Liam Walsh, Floyd Mayweather Jr. announced to the press that he had signed Marshall to a professional promotional contract. Marshall made her professional boxing debut at super middleweight on the undercard of the money fight in the professional boxing super fight between undefeated 5-division champion Floyd Mayweather Jr. and the former UFC lightweight champion and featherweight champion Conor McGregor. It took place at the T-Mobile Arena in Paradise, Nevada on 26 August 2017. She defeated Sydney LeBlanc by unanimous decision 40-36 in a 4-round bout. Marshall lifted the vacant WBS Super Middleweight Intercontinental title in Sofia, Bulgaria after winning all 10 rounds to claim a comfortable points victory over Yanina Orozco. At the 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Marshall beat Ariane Fortin of Canada to take the gold medal in the women's middleweight division. In May 2016, Marshall qualified for the 2016 Rio Olympics after reaching the semi-finals of the 2016 AIBA Women's World Boxing Championships in Kazakhstan.